Hey there, y'all. Welcome. In working with my weight loss client, I've identified 4 reasons they eat when they aren't even hungry. If you can eliminate these reasons, you'll lose weight without having to go hungry. If you're interested in more free advice on how to lose weight, click on the subscribe button so you don't miss a single video. If you don't already know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Lisa Duke, and I specialize in helping women over 40 lose weight. In fact, I myself recently lost 50 pounds at age 46. I now help my clients lose weight using the same techniques that I used. I'm proud to say that 100% of the clients who have coached with me for 12 weeks or more have lost weight. So I can assure you these techniques work. When I start working with my clients, I find many of them are in the habit of eating even when they aren't hungry. If we can eliminate this non-hunger related eating, we can lose weight without starving. So, what are the 4 reasons that I find clients are eating when they aren't even hungry? Number 1, to be polite to the person who made it, social rules about cleaning your plate, starving kids in Africa. Now, I was raised in the South, so I get the idea of doing things just to be polite. But when you do this, you're putting someone's feelings above your own health and your own feelings. Overeating puts your health at risk and keeps you looking and feeling worse than you should for someone your age. No one's feelings should come above your health and well-being. And have you noticed it doesn't even work? There's no guarantee that if you do something to make someone happy, they will be or will stay happy. So just say no to eating out of politeness. Number 2, geography. If you were drugged and came to in a restaurant or the kitchen, would you assume it's time to eat? Even though this is the normal thing to do, you're actually allowed to not eat while existing inside a restaurant, in a kitchen, or at the table. Who knew? Number 3, the clock, time of day. If you aren't physically hungry, you don't have to eat just because it's a certain time of day. There's no law. And you are an adult. So if you skip a meal and you realize later that was a mistake, you can just go eat some food. It's not the end of the world. Number 4, as a drug, so to feel better. A lot of my clients know they are stress eaters or emotional eaters, and those who don't know quickly realize when they don't eat in front of the TV or at another time when they're accustomed to eating, some feelings are going to come up. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean you had a bad childhood. It's not always something deep and dark. Oftentimes, it's just the feeling of wanting a snack out of habit. But once you realize that urge is not a problem that must be solved with food, but a feeling you can just allow, you have a calorie-free approach to dealing with it. So what about you? Are there times you've realized you're eating even though you aren't hungry and you want to lose weight? What was your reason and how did you deal with it? Leave a comment below. If you'd like to learn more about how I've lost weight, how my clients have lost weight, and how you and I can work together so you can lose weight, I'd love to talk to you live. It's free. Check out my calendar online at https://lisaduke.net/schedule. And if you're watching this, probably we know each other. So as a favor to me, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so my content can reach a broader audience and so you can catch future videos on this topic. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd love to invite you to watch these other videos on my channel so that you can learn more.